Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change alarm sound on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the clock feature, then go to the alarm, and now click on edit. Select this one, and now if you want to edit the sound, click on sound, and now simply choose the one that you would like to have. So let me show you, for example, 5 of them. It can be signal, presto, waves, cosmic, or for example circuit. And let me leave this one, so let me go back, and as you can see it has been changed, so now the sound is circuit. Click on save, and that's it. This is how you can change alarm sound in your device in your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.